him a very, very quick one. One night, one year, Ozioma Elizabeth Onyaka, Anambra State. The Orunchekwa Brule, come by 5 years today. Come by 5 years today. Now we IPOB. Ana choya. And when Hebana for this lady. In fact, the case of this lady is also the case of many Igbo youths. Ndami Brule, DSS Brule, Police Brule, between 2020 and Amateur and SARS and 2023. Between 2020 and the end of 2023, a whole lot of Igbo youths were missing. Till today, I hope many of them. Till today, I hope many of them. Nigerian government and the security agencies profile Igbo youths as ESN and IPOB. They don't care. They don't care whether you are not or you are. Once you won Igbo, you won Korobian Igbo. Between that 2020 or 2023, even now, once I heard as far as you won Igbo, you won IPOB, you won ESN. This was how they profiled Igbo youths. And till today, hundreds of Igbo youths are still missing. Here this young lady ji putana kwa no nwere onye gara there. Enweta twa picture ya ye leak here. Amara na ebe this guy. This lady no nga now. Echefuolie na their community. Echefuolie na their family. In fact, ebe ne burial ya. Until picture ya puta. No na wa barrack. Ebe ndi army dumpuru ndi Igbo. Na wa barracks, Niger State. Ebe ahụ ka many of Igbo youths no. Igbo youths pick from the streets. Igbo youths agbakọrọ ụlọ ha jeburu. Igbo youths no na-ere ahịa eburu ha. Igbo youths no na maybe no na meeting. Abịa kpọkọrọ ha si na ha mege meeting IPOB. That was how they profiled Igbo youths. Many of them are languishing in Wawa barracks. A few months ago, ka akpọpụtara na Kuje prison. You know, ka send her to court. She's in a court to Kuje prison. Ndedi ka barrister Ejiofor ha. You know, Nemeke Ejiofor. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor ha. Nda wunde no na agarala ndị ụlọ ikpe. Mgbe ewepụtara photo those young men. I know how many calls I received from their parents begging me na ha chọrọ ịhụ ụmụ ha. Begging me na ha hụrụ ụmụ ha na picture. Na asịrị ụmụ ha nọzi na Kuje. Asịrị ụmụ ha na ebutere ha na court. You know? And I know how I had to call Barrister Ejiofor. Say biko check here mandia osonande no na Kuje prison. You know? Many of our young men have languished, have died in the hands of Inde security, Nigeria. Because na ha wundi Igbo. Because na ha wundi Igbo. Now look at this young lady. Near one of thousands of cases. Such a thing in them. Thousands of cases, such a thing in them. Oh, we be by Nandi Army was parading the street of Bronu, parading the street of Sokoto, profiling the youths of Sokoto or profiling the youths of Bronu as Boko Haram members. Anyanubeye. Anyanube. Nandi Army, we are parading the streets of River State, the streets of Bayelsa, you know, the streets of Delta, you know, arresting the youths of those areas, you know, tagging them, militants. Anyanubeye. It is only in Alibo, Kegano, Nagi Jidenwa youth, Boye Bubo, no one IPOB. Sosan Alibo, Kegania. The way Boziga, Noya, Sosan Alibo Koneme. But thank God. Thank God. Oda digide, as they are profiling us. As in the IPOB and the ES, because that is the only thing they can do to arrest any Igbo youth. Profile him. Tag him IPOB. Tag him ESN. Then pick him up. Ogola. But okika abịama na alụrụ anyị ọgụ. Ga-aga n'ihu na alụrụ anyị ọgụ. Okika abịama na alụrụ ndị Igbo ọgụ. will continue to fight for Igbo. This lady Anorola here now, thank God there is an outcry. We are watching. We are following up. An update. Ganade. A lot of our youths are dying somewhere in secret hold up, in secret detention, where they have detained them for years. Many of them have died. Many are about to die. Bring out these people. Send them to court. No. I'm going to see how they IPOB. Why not, if they are IPOB members, why not take them to court so that the court will jail them? Why are you holding them in communicado? Why are you holding them secretly? Why are you detaining them secretly? If you do not have anything at the back of your mind, if it is not to exterminate the youthful this thing of Ndibo. Why are you people detaining Ndibo? Why are you detaining the young men from Alibo? Why are you holding them secretly? Why? It's a big question you people should answer. Nigerian security agencies. Why are you holding Igbo people secretly, Igbo youths secretly, without taking them to court and allowing the court to run its full justice on them? If they are IPOB members or ESA members and they have committed one or two, allow the court to do their job. And you are holding them secretly and they are dying in your hands. All of you will receive the measure you are giving to Igbo youths. You will receive it 100-fold. The measures you are giving to Igbo youths, profiling them, IPOB and ESN, you will receive, your family will receive it. Even after you are dead, your family will continue to receive it. The measure you give is the measure you are going to receive. Ekucham.